So we're having a Green Business Partners Forum on March 31st. This will be a day-long event bringing together business leaders from across Fairfax County to learn from each other about how to create sustainable business practices and to work towards carbon neutral operations and reduce operational costs through green initiatives. So we encourage Fairfax County businesses, whether they're small, medium-sized, or large businesses, to join us for this forum. This will be a great opportunity to learn about our Green Business Partners program, which we're relaunching this year. We have a really great lineup of speakers and business leaders representing small and medium and even large corporate operations. We have a variety of topics that we'll be covering throughout the day, including information on energy benchmarking and also on financing and incentives to help support those kinds of business operations. And we really look forward to business leaders joining us for a great day of learning and growing in their business operations.